If you live in Mexico, earn in dollars, and don't pay attention to the exchange rate, you're paying a hidden tax every month. Over the last year, I watched the dollar slide from 20 pesos to $1 down to 18 pesos to $1. And that shift alone can blow up your budget without changing a single habit. We're talking flights not taken, meals out missed, simply because the price of everything is a little bit more with a lower exchange rate. Over the last 6 years, I've learned how to protect my money, avoid predatory exchange rates, and stop banks from quietly taking a huge cut of my money every single month. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, the tools that I use, where people mess up, and how to stretch your dollars further in Mexico. Let's get it. There are lots of ways to exchange dollars for pesos. For people who are new, the easiest option seems to be withdrawing pesos at a local ATM when you arrive in Mexico using a US bank card. Now that works, but you need to be very careful. Foreign banks love to push something called the dynamic currency conversion, or DCC. If you don't know what you're looking at, it's basically a legal stick up at the ATM. If you want a full breakdown on dynamic currency conversion and how they word it to trick you, check out the video that I'll leave linked up here. I'll also leave a link to it in the description below. The short answer is simple: always decline the dynamic currency conversion. Now, this is where a lot of people still get messed up. Even if you avoid the dynamic currency conversion, your bank is still taking money from you. You're paying foreign transaction fees and getting a worse exchange rate by converting at your bank. Another bad move is to bring a lot of US dollars here to Mexico. Exchange booths will give you a terrible exchange rate, and vendors that accept dollars will charge you whatever they want. You're basically at their mercy for the convenience. Either way, you're losing a lot of money. All of those options give you something far worse than the best possible rate, which is called the mid-market rate. The mid-market rate is the price in which banks are willing to buy a currency for and what they're willing to sell it for. It's the middle point. For example, a bank buys dollars at 17.4 pesos to $1. The same bank might sell dollars at 18.6 pesos to $1. The midpoint is 18.0 pesos, which is the current rate right now as of making of this video. That's the mid-market rate. That's the rate you will also usually see on Google. So if $1 equals 18 pesos and breakfast costs 180 pesos, that's essentially 10 bucks. Simple math. So how do you actually get close to the mid-market rate without all of the fee-heavy marked up rates from banks and exchange booths? I avoid exchanging money at banks or exchange booths as much as possible. For the last 6 years, the one service that I cannot live without in Mexico is a service called Wise. Wise is a UK-based exchange service that lets you move and spend money globally at a much lower cost. Let me explain. I earn my living in dollars. However, my life is lived and spent in pesos. So every single month, the exchange rate matters whether I like it or not. Wise will give you the mid-market rate minus small transparent fees with no hidden markups. Transfers are fast, often within seconds, and I can hold money in over 40 different currencies. Two of my favorite features are the daily rate alerts and the auto conversion capability within the Wise app. I can choose to convert dollars to pesos when the rate is strongest, and I'm never at the mercy of someone else to convert my dollars to pesos when the rate is really low. Another big benefit is that I can keep my money in US dollars and only convert or transfer money to Mexico when I need it. Wise also offers a green multi-currency debit card. You can spend directly in different currencies using this debit card, or you can buy things online using a virtual card, and you can take out cash at ATMs directly anywhere that Visa is accepted. You still pay the local ATM fees, but the exchange rate and all of that has already been handled because you're withdrawing directly from your peso account. Pretty cool. So let me explain how I use this. Each month, I transfer what I need from my US bank account into my Wise dollar account. Over the course of the month, I watch the exchange rate and convert dollars on days when it's the highest. Sometimes I manually convert, other times I set up an auto conversion. Once I've got the pesos that I need, I simply either transfer those to my Mexican bank account or withdraw cash from an ATM for things like pool maintenance, gardening, and other services that I still pay for in cash. On average, I spend about $650 per year to exchange roughly $30,000. And that works out to roughly 2.16% in fees, far less than what I would pay at a bank, ATM, or exchange booths. If you're a frequent traveler or a person living abroad full time, I highly recommend signing up for Wise using the link below. And before you leave your home country, I also recommend you ordering the green multi-currency debit card. But here's a big tip. Make sure you use the debit card at an ATM in your home country before you leave the country, because that's what activates it for international use. And definitely, I recommend you watch this video over here on dynamic currency conversion next, because it will definitely save you money on any international travel if you use an ATM. Until next time, MexitPlans Monty, I'm out. Merry Christmas, y'all.